Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do one of my favorite braids, the twisted pull-through. Start off by taking a section of hair about an inch back from the hairline and dividing it into 3. And now we're going to start a Dutch braid. So cross the right piece under into the middle, and then cross the left piece under into the middle. Then repeat with the right piece, but this time we're going to add in a small new section of hair before crossing them both under into the middle. And then repeat with the left piece, so take a small section of hair and cross them both under into the middle. And then just repeat those steps towards the back of the head, and you just want to make sure to leave out a little bit of hair at the front of the face. Once the braid is a few inches long, stop adding in new hair and continue just a regular braid to the ends of the hair. Every so often, I like to go back and carefully pull on the edges of the braid to give it some more volume. At the end of the hair, secure the braid with a clear baby elastic. Take a section of hair from the crown of the head and comb it back into a ponytail with a clear baby elastic. And then I like to go back and carefully pull on the edges of that hair to give it some extra volume at the crown. Take a really small section of hair from the opposite side of the head and secure the Dutch braid to it with a clear baby elastic. Take another section of hair from that side and twist it back away from the face. Pull on the edges of the twist to give it some extra volume, and then secure it to a small section of hair on the side where the Dutch braid starts. Take the remaining hair from in front of the Dutch braid and softly twist it back away from the face. Then take another section of hair from the opposite side of the head and twist it back away from the face as well. Then secure the two twists together just off to the side where the Dutch braid starts. And again, go back and pull on the edges of the twists to give them some more volume. Next, you want to take about half of the remaining hair and secure it into a ponytail just off to the side. Flip the ponytail back down the center to twist the sides, and then pull on the edges to give them some more volume. And then, like a pull-through braid, take the remaining hair and split it into 2. Take the 2 sections and pull them into a new ponytail just on top of the first one. Then flip the ponytail back down through the center to twist the edges and create the twisted pull-through. And then just repeat those steps all the way down to the ends of the hair. So just split the underneath hair into 2 and then pull into a new ponytail on top of the first one, and then flip the ends back down through the center to twist the sides. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!